Niger's military has accused France of amassing forces and equipment in West African countries, alleging that this is in preparation for a military intervention against Niamey. Colonel Abdramen, a spokesperson for Niger's coup leaders, made the claim on national television, stating that France is deploying its forces in member countries of the ECOWAS as part of its plans. He further claimed that French military cargo aircraft have been delivering large quantities of war material and equipment to Senegal, Ivory Coast, and Benin. Tensions between Niger and France have been escalating since the military coup on July 26. France, Niger's former colonial power, has stood by deposed President Mohamed Bazoum and has refused to comply with Niger's demands to remove its troops and envoy from the Sahel state. The country had been a strategic partner of France and the West in the fight against growing jihadi violence in the conflict-ridden Sahel region, the arid expanse below the Sahara Desert. Additionally, Niger is facing a standoff with the ECOWAS bloc, which has threatened military intervention if diplomatic pressure fails to reinstate Bazoum. In Niamey, thousands of people have been holding near daily demonstrations near a military base housing French soldiers, demanding their immediate departure. France has approximately 1,500 soldiers in Niger as part of the broader fight against Al-Qaeda and ISIS-linked groups. However, a French Defense Ministry source has confirmed that Paris is in talks with the military regime regarding the withdrawal of elements of its presence in Niger. In response to the situation, the United States has begun relocating its troops from Niamey to the central city of Agadez as a precautionary measure. The US Department of Defense stated that this relocation is intended to ensure the safety of its soldiers amidst the evolving circumstances.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.